Hello everybody, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's make these colorful birds using craft paper. So take a printed square paper and start folding it. Look how we are doing here. Fold it from its both sides. Now open it and start making small pleats like this, and do this from other side as well. Now we are going to fold it like this. We are making the feathers of the bird. Now make multiple folds at the center and open it gently. We are going to give the shape of the body of the bird like this, and then fold it. And look, your beautiful bird is ready. We're going to make the feathers more accurate by pressing it, and then we're going to roll it like this, and look, it is ready. We're going to make this origami cat using craft paper. So take a small piece of paper and start folding it from its sides. Now we are going to fold it again from its bottom and press it like this. We are going to make the face of the cat here, so gently press it like we are doing, and look, its ears are ready. Now we are going to make the body by pressing it like this and make the tail as well. Press it inwards like this. Look how we are doing here, and look, it is almost ready. Now we are going to give shape to its tail. So tilt it like this and fold it, and look, it is ready. You can draw its face using marker, and look how cute these are looking. We're going to make this beautiful bird container. You can put your small items inside. So take a printed craft paper and start folding it like we're doing here. Put the paper inside and you'll get a shape like this. Now fold it again and make it narrow like this. Then we're going to open it and start folding it. We're going to make the body of the bird like this. So yeah, press it like we're doing here, and then we're going to make the body like this. Fold it from its bottom side. We're going to make the wings of the bird here, and look, it is almost ready. Then we're going to tuck it inside. Look how we are doing here, and then we're going to press all of them gently like this and tilt the paper outwards, and look, it is ready. You can give it shape like this, and it's done. Here we are going to make origami flowers. So take a paper and start folding it like this. Again fold it and make cuts on it. Then we're going to fold it from all its cuts. Now again fold it and make a hole at the center. Now paste all the petals together using a glue, and look, your flower is ready. After this we're going to add more details like this. Now we are going to fold this green paper and we are making stick and its leaves, and paste all of them together. It's ready. Look at these beautiful china leaves. Let's make it using craft paper. So take a small piece of craft paper and start folding it like this. Again fold it, and then we are going to make more such pieces. We are making 5 such pieces. Then we are going to paste all of them together one after another. Paste its sticks, and look, it is ready. Look at these beautiful flower containers. Let's make it. So take a printed craft paper, fold it like this, flip it and cut the corners. Again flip it, and again we're going to cut it. When you open it, you'll get an octagon shape like this. Then we're going to start folding it from all its sides, and look, fold it. Look how we are doing here like this. So you'll get a beautiful pattern like this. Now we are going to press and make the petals of the flowers like this. Now fold it and gently open it using fingers, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.